Now I am giving an example of neutron automation because I have seen that. What they have done is unified platform approach. What they have done, modern integration example we are taking, they have done building management system, BMS, in one software, energy management system in same software, data center infrastructure management in same software. They have done it for very important data center, which is for government. Indian government is storing that data in that particular data center. Okay, NIC we call it. So for that, they have done this system. So everything, fire system, BMS system, EMS system, security system, CCTV system, even data center infrastructure management system, everything is integrated, unified platform. Then this is very economical. You need not to have number of vendors. Like for fire, Tyco, then for BMS, Johnson Control, for then HVAC, Honeywell. So there are 4-5 vendors. Access card system, you have different vendor. Schneider is there for UPS and all those things. So you need not to spend money for different softwares. Then different upgrades. It becomes a problem. So they have come up with the unified platform. This is highly economical. You need to manage only one vendor, one software. And again, this is a cloud platform. This is very advanced. I have seen, very advanced. And they are using time series. So every data is time stamped. Every millisecond data they are getting. So it is helping them a lot. So this is a modern integration example, this era. Okay, you need not to have different softwares for different systems. If you want to understand, you can visit their website. Okay. Now, you will ask me, but what is our career progression? What is our future in this building management system? So, my market size reality, we will see. The building management systems market represents one of the fastest growing segments in commercial technology driven by energy efficiency mandates and sustainability requirements. Now, just tell me one example. If you have got some big amount of money, millions, let's say, you have earned, where you will invest? The best investment is into real estate, buildings. You will invest it. And that is why this industry is seeing very great progression, 13.4% annual growth. So that is amazing. Everyone is investing in real estate, in buildings. And that is why we are so much important. Now, once you have invested in building, then what? What this growth means for professionals like us? Massive job creation. We will have jobs. Every billion in market growth represents thousands of buildings requiring skilled BMS professionals for implementation and maintenance. BMS professionals are required every billion, thousands of buildings. Then design and specification. Engineers and consultants needed to specify appropriate system for new construction and major renovations. So design and specification. This here also we need engineers. So the jobs, here also jobs. Then optimization and maintenance, ongoing support professionals like facility management systems, FMS. So these people will be required for maintenance and optimization. So again, jobs. Then installation and commissioning, project guys. To install the BMS system and do the commissioning, BMS professionals will be required. So that is why this growth is For professionals, what is driving this growth? There are important drivers. See, though I have a building, but I have some mandates for that building's obligations from the authorities. What are those? Energy efficiency mandates. Green building. You should be a green building, then you get credits, you can save money. So these are the mandates by government for the companies. They should be energy efficient, and for that BMS system is required. Okay, then ESG sustainability pressure. These environmental, social and governance, ESG, this is a body. So requirements drive organizations to implement systems that demonstrate measurable sustainability performance. So these are working for sustainability or energy saving. So for that, these things are driving the growth in building management system. Though you have a building, but you got to have a building management system so that you will be complied to these mandates. Then remote work flexibility. After COVID, we have learned how remote work is very much important. This building management system is making it possible to operate the buildings remotely, and that is why BMS is required for your building so that you can operate your building remotely. Now, technology maturation. IoT, AI, and cloud technologies have reached enterprise reliability levels. Okay, these are not novel things now. They have reached the maturity. Everybody started accepting that. Reliability is gone up because they have proved that technology is safe, secure, and far better than past days, making advanced building intelligence accessible and affordable. Once it is game of volume. Affordability is a game of volume. Like Ford did. If you want to have a car, it should be black. Okay, that was his motto. The tagline. So he can make the cars in assembly line, number of cars, and his cost of production will go down. So because of this maturity, the cost has come down. It has become reasonable priced. Now, regional market variations. What is happening in regional market? In North America, focus is energy efficiency and utility cost reduction. Now, drivers, what is driving that? ASHRAE standards. ASHRAE is for HVAC. Okay, it fixes the standards. So that is driving this growth in building management system. Then LEED certification. Everybody is proudly saying, I am LEED certified. As per ASHRAE standards, we are following our building management systems. So it is a proud moment. Okay, people want to invest in such companies which are LEED certified because that is sustainable. Okay, it is not harming the nature. It is not harming our future generations. That is why everybody is interested in sustainable growth. Investors, I'm talking about. These things attract them. They are happy to invest in such companies. Those investors will not invest in such companies which are wasting energy, which are not sustainable. Okay. Utility incentives. Utility companies also give incentives if you have these things. Okay. Then Europe. What is the focus? Strict regulations and carbon neutrality. Carbon neutrality. Carbon, you should not, carbon dioxide or carbon, you should not emit in the environment. Drivers. What are the drivers? EU directions. European Union directives are there for buildings. Then building performance certificates. They are also issuing LEED type of certificates for the buildings. These are the drivers. Then Asia Pacific. Focus. Rapid urbanization and smart city initiatives. So now these countries are developing at very rapid pace. and they are doing it very smartly. They want the today's technology. They don't want to be developed in old technology. Okay, so smart cities initiatives are there taken by governments. Drivers, new construction, as it is new construction, we should use the latest technology. Then government modernization programs. Government is giving emphasis on smart cities, smart BMS system. Those are the drivers in Asia Pacific. Then Middle East, focus is climate driven efficiency and conservation. Why? Drivers are extreme temperatures. There are extreme temperatures in Middle East. That is why. And the problem is resource scarcity. It's all deserted land. So resources are limited. They are using resources from other countries. So they have to be used those resources sparingly. That is why these are the drivers. Everyone. Though there are no government mandates, but that thing is itself like water is scared. There is no abundance. They have to use it sparingly. So these are the drivers in these four regions, and this is driving the growth in BMS in our field, building management system field. Okay. Now the summary, what we have learned in this module: evolution complete. From 1950 to till date, we have seen the complete evolution, how this building management system evolved. Then market opportunity, 191 billion market by 2030. It's a huge market we have seen. Then technology, 13.7% growth we have seen every year. Now technology convergence, everything, IoT, AI, cloud computing, everything is can do the conversation amongst them. So any technology can be used, even AI can be used for this building management system. Then regional variations, different markets emphasize on energy efficiency, sustainability and urbanization, climate adaptation based on local conditions. For all four regions we have seen what is driving our building management system. Okay, now next module, what we will see in next module: major players. Who are the players in market? Major, who are innovating technologies, and competitive landscape analysis, how that competition is happening and how they are contributing to building management system. Okay, thank you.